creator, bringing your ideas, passion, and voice to the stories you tell and videos you create. So, why do your videos look like everyone else's? Let's fix that. Meet Spin and Swing, a pocket-sized power couple ready to make your videos and social content better than ever before. Shoot jaw-dropping time lapses, epic video shots, panoramas, product motion, and more, right from your phone.
Wait, so what's a spin?
The Spin is a puck full of filmmaking power, able to rotate 360 degrees on any axis, to make shooting time-lapse and video for YouTube and social easy. Simply attach to a tripod, connect your phone, and set your start and end points to add smooth motion to any shot. Film yourself, your dog, your fit, your cake. Even connect 2 spins with the optional pan-tilt bracket for dual-axis movement. The Spin is kind of like a smart camera assistant for people who don't have assistants. The only limit is your creativity. You can even use the Spin for VFX shots, rotating products, and so much more.
So then, what's a swing?
A swing is kind of like a slider that looks nothing like a slider.
Wait, what?
Trust us, we're famous for a tripod that looks nothing like a tripod. Just attach your phone, set your start and end points, and the swing will give you smooth
sliding video in any situation.
The swing is perfect for motion time-lapse too, giving extra life to your videos. Even set it to repeat mode, and the swing will keep going, giving you a smooth second shots for podcasts, DIY, gaming, and more. The JOBY Motion Kit allows you to put your spin on anything you create, and with both the Spin and Swing, you'll be ready for any shot. But we aren't doing this alone. We've teamed up with the geniuses at Syrup Lab to design the Spin and Swing. So get ready to take your content up a notch. Have fun, create, and add your spin.
Our infinite capacity to problem solve has led us to develop the Shark Slider Nano, providing you with minimum form factor, flawless bi-directional 2-axis camera movement. Designed for filmmakers who require absolute portability and total reliability, the Nano goes where you go. Precision gesture control technology provides fast, accurate, reliable, and repeatable track movement, perfect for both interior and exterior location work. Superior brushless motors provide reassuring silence in what can be a noisy world. Compact and lightweight with lightning speed deployment, the Shark Slider Nano provides you with an all-in-one slider solution which is simple to use no matter where you find yourself. Minimum power consumption, exceptional runtime, and USB-C charging means you'll never miss a shot. Flexibility is key. Operate using either our IPS touchscreen or our standalone app. The Nano turns your smartphone into a powerful motion capture device packed with tons of features. Designed to accommodate your needs, your work, and your play. The Shark Slider Nano. Dependable camera movement, whenever and wherever you need it.
Our Red Dot awarded design and engineering team has created a compact motion control tool perfect for video content creators. We've designed a beltless mechanism with 50-micron sensitivity which prevents jitters, jumps, or vibrations, and just buttery smooth slide and dolly shots. The outstanding horizontal, vertical, and incline operations provide more effective energy usage for longer battery life. Trexo Slider can fit nearly in every backpack. you'll bring the professional performance everywhere you go. So we also designed Trexo Slider to be programmable without using a mobile phone. Simply move the Trexo Slider by hand and set starting and finishing points. Now you can move the slider between those 2 points without using a mobile device. Spend less time programming and more time on what really matters. Trexo Slider will always synchronize with the mobile app so that you can save, share, and play your favorite programmed movements anytime you want at the push of a button. The days of managing batteries and chargers before you're able to shoot are over. Trexo Slider provides 6 hours of continuous movement. You can even extend the battery life by simply connecting a power bank, perfect for those long time-lapse shots. With a single tap, you can convert your camera movement to a motion time-lapse without the hassle of calculations. We know that sound performance is crucial for a quality video. With the beltless design and ultra-silent motor, you'll always have clean audio when using Trexo Slider. Trexo Slider can be operated with the intuitively designed Trexo Motion app, which can also be used with the upcoming Trexo Motion products.